so welcome back to my channel, Sean's Specialties. So today we are making the epic hot chocolate. Earlier I showed you how to make the ultimate hot chocolate bar, but now this is part 2. We are making the epic hot chocolate. So let's get right into the ingredients. We have 1 cup of milk, we have 1 cup of huge M's, we have 1 tablespoon of coconut sugar, and we have a splash of vanilla. So let's get started. Pour the huge M's. You can do more or less, whatever you prefer. And let's stir this. And put the 1 tablespoon of coconut sugar in. There we go. This over here. Here. Stir that around. Do the splash of vanilla. Good. And we have to get this all mixed together till the huge M's are dissolved and till it's more chocolatey. So if you look in here, it is so chocolatey. So now we're going to turn off this. Good. Yep, good. And now we get our bowl. And this put it over here. We pour it into the bowl. Nice. And we'll put this over here. And then get our cup. We pour the hot chocolate into the cup. Good. And there were some things that I forgot to mention about the ultimate hot chocolate bar. So you can also put butterscotch chips and chocolate chips. So we finish this off with some whipped cream. Perfect. And then we get some crushed peppermint pieces. Put that right on here. Perfect. And then we get a green and red candy cane. Put this in here. And we have our peppermint spoon that we put right in here. And we'll drizzle some chocolate sauce on. This is gonna look so good. Look at that. That looks amazing. So let's try it. Oh my God. That is amazing. Oh man, that was amazing. So this is what it looks like. This is the finished product. So drop a comment to tell me how you like it. And this looks amazing. So remember to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell for more videos. And I'll see you in the next video, guys. Bye, guys.